So I don't know if you guys remember me telling you how terrible our work, internet, and phone service was. We have AT&T. Yeah, AT&T, I'm talking to you. So it got so bad that the phone line doesn't work anymore, and the internet would like cut off for an hour or just go so slow that you really couldn't do anything but run a credit card on the credit card machine. Like so slow that you can't surf the web. You can only do things that just send ones and zeros, like in small amounts. So it was terrible, right? Today, it was Amanda's day to work, but I came up to the store. I wanted to do a little research, get on the internet for a minute and talk on the phone. And when I went to get on the internet, it was not working at all. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna fix this. So I started doing a little bit of research, and I've actually done networking, like ran the cables, the Cat 5 through the walls and stuff before, so I kind of knew what I'm doing. So I'm like, I'm gonna fix this. So I get up in the ceiling and find the place where the wire comes into the building, and basically I just rip apart everything that was spliced together there and start looking at how many wires I've got. And it's Cat 5, so there was 8 wires in there. So I was like, all right, well, why does this have 8 wires when telephones only have 2 or 4 wires, maybe 5? So my next step was to do some research, and I found on the internet that there's a specific order you can use the wires inside of the Cat 5 cable to do phone. I found out we were not wired by any kind of standard thing. Somebody in the past had just spliced the blue wires. Someone in the past had just spliced the 2 blue wires, nothing else, just 2 wires, and run that into the building. So what I did was went and bought a phone jack that you mount on the wall from Home Depot, and installed that there, and guess what, guys? My internet works better than ever. It's still really slow. Our building is old, and I don't know what's up with the internet, but I can only get 5 megabits per second download, which at home I have 100. But you know what? It's faster, way faster than it was. So that's pretty cool. So literally just the 2 top lugs here, the red and the green, I spliced the 2 blue wires from outside onto these 2 lugs, and when I plugged it all together, bam, internet works. So I've had a few texts out here from AT&T. Every one of them have told me, look, this is not what we're here to do. The wires in the building are bad, and that's on you guys. They always tell me, you'll have to put in a new service call, it'll be $95 an hour, and by the looks of it, it's gonna take half a day. I've heard that a few times. And then I had an AT&T salesman come in, trying to sell me AT&T. I was like, I've got your service, and I hate it. And he was like, well, what's wrong? And I explained it to him. He was like, what you can do is hire an electrician that's out of work or unlicensed to come in and run that phone line for cheap. That was one AT&T salesman's advice to me. So I really just want to show that anybody can fix their phone line. $95 an hour for multiple hours, that's crazy. Even if you had to drop it down the wall, it'd be a lot easier than you think and a lot cheaper than $95 an hour. The entire price for my fix was $4.95 at Home Depot. So you can't beat that. Anyway, I hope this video helps somebody someday. If you're having trouble with your phone line, maybe just replace it yourself. I'm Bird Snake, thanks for watching.